Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. This is a duty belt key holder and I'll show you guys what this is here and how it kind of works. So we've got a couple of them here. It looks like we got two of them in the thing. I'm just going to open one at the moment, and it's got the little flexible here. And so if you have a belt, your belt goes through this side here, can hang on your side, can hang it wherever, and then you're able to use these rings here. These are like key rings, like just there should be regular key rings. Let's see. Yeah, these are just their standard kind of key ring things. And then what you'll be able to do is pull it onto there to hang your devices down. So like say I have my hammer kit that I wanted to have hanging on it. I could just hang it on there and it'll be hanging from my belt. And when I want to grab it off, I just easily squeeze it and pull it up. So it makes it super easy to open, but it is super secure on there as well because it's a really good spring on there and it hangs down like that. So nothing's going to fall off, but when you need to get it out, you're able to. So this is a really nice little key holder device for that. You can put anything on there, any kind of, I think it's like military stuff more than just keys, but you can put anything onto this key ring that'll just connect through. I can put my scissors through there, or whatever you want. Anything will go through it. So I'm trying to see if I have anything else here. I really don't have much around. But you get the idea. Totally cool keyring. So it's just super solid and heavy duty. And if you're doing anything, if you have like a military belt on or something like that, that's nice and big one, you'll be able to have it on there and connect up any of your stuff and be able to easily get it off when you need to. So totally cool. Thumbs up, and you get two of them, and you get a bunch of the key rings. It looks like you have one, two, four of them. So you get two for each side, or however you want to set it up. So super cool. Thumbs up for sure.